Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn most important questions from medical and surgical nursing. Before that, I request everyone to subscribe the channel. My last release was top 50 questions from Fundamental of Nursing. In description box, I given that link for your reference. Let's learn together.
In a patient of stroke, dexamethasone is administered to A. Increase intracranial pressure, B. Reduce intracranial pressure, C. Increase renal blood flow, D. Increase venous return. The right answer is B. Reduce intracranial pressure. The nurse can best prevent foot drop for the bed rest client by the use of A. Traction, B. Splint, C. Cradle, D. Railing. The right answer is B. Splint. Injury to which part of the brain particularly likely to cause death? A. Medulla, B. Pons, C. Hypothalamus, D. Cerebellum. The right answer is A. Medulla. Ammonia excretion by the kidney helps to maintain A. Osmotic pressure of the blood, B. Low bacterial level in the urine, C. Normal platelet production, D. Acid-base balance of the body. The right answer is A. Osmotic pressure of the blood. Fever can cause which of the following problem? A. Fluid loss, B. Hypokalemia, C. Hyponatremia, D. Hyperkalemia. The right answer is A. Fluid loss. In a lumbar puncture, needle must be inserted to A. Subarachnoid space, B. Sublateral space, C. Subdural space, D. Middle of the spine. The right answer is A. Subarachnoid space. What may cause a person's ear to get hurt during takeoff or landing of an aircraft? A. Damage of vesicles, B. Tear in tympanic membrane, C. Increase ear pressure, D. Stretching of the tympanic. The right answer is D. Stretching of the tympanic. Dysphagia refers to A. Difficult in breathing, B. Difficult in swallowing, C. Difficult in speaking, D. Difficult in hearing. The right answer is B. Difficult in swallowing. Which antimicrobial drug is suitable for the treatment of both TB and leprosy? A. Isoniazid, B. Streptomycin, C. Salicylic acid, D. Rifampicin. The right answer is D. Rifampicin. In which of the condition the client will have flushed dry skin? A. Edema, B. Shock, C. Dehydration, D. Hypervolemia. The right answer is C. Dehydration. One of the most complication of myocardial infarction: A. Cardiac dysarrhythmia, B. Hypokalemia, C. Hyperkalemia, D. Cardiac enlargement. The right answer is A. Cardiac dysarrhythmia. The function of coronary artery is A. Carry blood from heart to lungs, B. Carry blood from heart to brain, C. Carry blood from aorta to myocardium, D. Supply blood to the endocardium. The right answer is C. Carry blood from aorta to myocardium. While caring for a client of cardiac catheterization, it's most important that the nurse A. Check ECG every 1 hour, B. Administer oxygen, C. Provide rest, D. Check the pulse distal to the insertion. The right answer is D. Check the pulse distal to the insertion. Which of the following is also known as lethal dysarrhythmia? A. Atrial fibrillation, B. Sinus tachycardia, C. Ventricular fibrillation, D. First degree heart block. The right answer is C. Ventricular defibrillation. Orthostatic hypotension can be modified by A. Wearing support hose continuously, B. Lying down for 30 minutes after taking medicine, C. Avoiding exercise, D. Sitting on the edge of the bed a short time before arising. The right answer is D. Sitting on the edge of the bed a short time before arising. To record central venous pressure reading, the nurse should place the client A. supine position, B. dorsal recumbent position, C. side lying position, D. Fowler position. The right answer is B. dorsal recumbent position. The test for diagnosis of varicose vein is A. Angiography, B. Arteriography, C. Rothra's test, D. Trendelenburg test. The right answer is D. Trendelenburg test. Following a streptococcal infection, a disorder characterized by swollen joint, fever, the possibility of endocarditis and death is A. Mumps, B. Rubella, C. Gout, D. Rheumatic fever. The right answer is D. Rheumatic fever. Pacemaker serves the function normally performed by the A. SA node, B. AB node, C. Bundle of keys, D. None of the above. The right answer is A. SA node. When performing colostomy irrigation, the nurse inserts the catheter into the stoma up to A. 2 cm, B. 10 cm, C. 15 cm, D. 6 cm. The right answer is B. 10 cm.
While administering enema, the height of the can should be A 15 cm, B 25 cm, C 35 cm, D 45 cm. The right answer is D 45 cm. Intersusception is A. Telescoping of a proximal loop of ball into a distal loop, B. Kinging of ball into itself, C. Connecting tissue compressing the ball, D. Protrusion of an organ into another. The right answer is A. Telescoping of a proximal loop of ball into a distal loop. Barium enema served to A. Illuminate the alimentary canal, B. Provide color contrast to alimentary tract, C. Give off visible light and illuminate the alimentary tract, D. Observe X-ray and give contrast to soft tissue of the alimentary tract. Right answer is D. Observe X-ray and give contrast to soft tissue of the alimentary tract. In hemorrhoidectomy, post-operative care should be given A. Administration of enema to promote deification, B. Administration of laxatives and stool softness, C. Dressing of area, D. Encourage to pass stool. The right answer is B. Administration of laxatives and stool softness. There are 8 essential amino acids. This means that A. These formed in body, B. These formed in body and essential for growth, C. These are obtained from diet, D. These are supplements. The right answer is C. These are obtained from diet. The ready form of energy stored in the liver by conversion of glucose to A. Starch, B. Fatty acid, C. Glycogen, D. Amino acid. The right answer is C. Glycogen. Which of the following is essential for absorption of fat-soluble vitamin in intestine? A. Bile salt, B. HCl, C. Lipase, D. Amylase. The right answer is A. Bile salt. Abdominal discomfort by ingestion of milk may be the result of genetic deficiency of enzyme A. Lactase, B. Maltase, C. Sucrose, D. Amylase. The right answer is A. Lactase. Client who has had a colostomy should follow a diet that is A. As close to normal as possible, B. Rich fat, C. Watery diet, D. Semi-solid diet. The right answer is A. As close to normal as possible. The chief complaint in client with Vincent angina is A. Chest pain, B. Bleeding oral ulceration, C. Shortness of breath, D. Left hand pain. The right answer is B. Bleeding oral ulceration. Before scheduling a client for retrograde cholangiopancreatography, the nurse assesses the client is A. Bilirubin level, B. Urine output, C. Serum glucose, D. Pulse pressure. The right answer is A. Bilirubin level. Fracture mandible is usually immobilized with wire. The life-threatening postoperative problem that can develop with the procedure is A. Paralysis, B. Infection, C. Dehydration, D. Heart block. The right answer is A. Paralysis. Phosphorus soda is catheterically classified as A. Stimulant, B. Saline, C. Emollient, D. Bulk forming. The right answer is B. Saline. Vitamin K is required for synthesis of A. Prothrombin, B. Prolactin, C. Oxytocin, D. Hormones. The right answer is A. Prothrombin. Acute appendicitis is a condition associated with A. Infection of bowel, B. Infection of colon, C. Infection of appendix, D. Infection of stomach. The right answer is C. Infection of appendix. The main role of liver in relation to fat metabolism is to A. Store fat for energy, B. Convert fat to lipoprotein for transport out in the body, C. Produce fatty acid, D. Increase fat absorption. The right answer is B. Convert fat into lipoprotein for transport out to the body. The term saturated and unsaturated fatty acid relates to degree of A. Color, B. Taste, C. Digestibility, D. Density. The right answer is D. Density. The hormones secretin and pancreocymin are secreted by A. Duodenum, B. Jejunum, C. Appendix, D. Liver. The right answer is A. Duodenum. The term that refers to lack of interest in food is A. Anorexia, B. Polyphagia, C. Dysphagia, D. Alopsia. The right answer is A. Anorexia. The major post-transfusion viral hepatitis is A. Hepatitis D, B. Hepatitis B, C. Hepatitis C, D. Hepatitis A. The right answer is C. Hepatitis C. Which position is commonly used in sigmoidoscopy? A. Prawn position, B. Genupectoral, C. Lateral position, D. Supine position. The right answer is B. Genupectoral. One of the main source of keratin is A. Leafy green, B. Pomegranate, C. Potato, D. Orange. The right answer is A. Leafy green. Prophylaxis for hepatitis B include the following is A. Hepatotoxic drug therapy, B. Avoid milk in diet, C. Avoid fatty diet, D. Screening of blood donor. The right answer is D. Screening of blood donor. Before ligation of hemorrhoid, the diet advice would be A. High protein diet, B. High fat diet, C. High calorie diet, D. Low residue diet. The right answer is D. Low residue diet. At the time of receiving enema, the client should be placed in A. Left lateral position, B. Right lateral position, C. Knee chest position, D. Supine position. The right answer is A. Left lateral position. Hemorrhoid result from A. Constipation, B. Exercise, C. Diarrhea, D. High calorie diet. The right answer is A. Constipation. One of the main function of bile is A. Fat emulsification, B. Protein emulsification, C. Help in synthesis of vitamin, D. Carbohydrate digestion. The right answer is A. Fat emulsification. The nurse should administer a nasogastric tube feeding slowly to reduce the hazards of A. Flatulence, B. Distension, C. Diarrhea, D. Regurgitation. The right answer is D. Regurgitation. The breakdown of triglyceride molecules yield which of the following? A. Fatty acid, B. Amino acid, C. Urea nitrogen, D. Sugar. The right answer is A. Fatty acid. Oxygen and carbon dioxide and exchanged in the lung by A. Osmosis, B. Diffusion, C. Active transport, D. Both A and B. The right answer is B. Diffusion.